How to add object in the Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add object in the Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapseed app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on plus icon and browse to the image that you want to add object. Once your image loads up, now click on tools and select double exposure. Now tap the image icon at the bottom of the screen to choose the object that you want to add. Once you select it, it will overlay on top of your original image. Now tap on the water droplet. This helps to increase or decrease the transparency of your object. Once it feels right, now click on the check mark. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add object in the Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.